Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn on your relationship status or add it to your bio on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Facebook. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, simply open the app. After opening Facebook, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. When you scroll down a little, you will see the Relationship Status option. Tap on it, and here you can select your relationship status. Just below that, you can also add your partner if you want, or write something about them. After that, you can choose who can see it. You can set it to public so everyone can see, or you can keep it private. It's totally up to you. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And until next time, see you soon.